What's up, what's up, what's up? We coming back with another bang. We still in Las Vegas. We still out here enjoying our time together. Enjoying our time on vacation. Carter, say something to the people.
Las Vegas is amazing. They got the pools, they got everything.
Oh God, they got
Rides,
everything.
They got everything. They got the candy store.
Chandler, say hi.
Hi. Yo, I got two Rubik's Cubes.
Say something, baby.
Got
Say
two
something to the
Rubik's
people.
Cubes. Got two Rubik's Cubes.
You don't say hi to the people, bro? Don't leave us hanging. Dang.
No. I'm gonna show the vlog to my Rubik's Cube.
Are we looking at you?
These are my Rubik's Cubes.
Which one did you get in Vegas? Chandler, baby.
Get this one, Chandler.
Which one did you buy in Vegas?
The triangle one.
You like it?
Yeah. And I know how to do. I just did 3 yesterday and it was easy.
You the dopest, bro. You know? We still out in Vegas, man. We still seeing amazing sights. We still enjoying our time together. You know what I'm saying? We still mission as a family, man. I'm enjoying myself thoroughly. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we on the search for some tacos. We just went to this taco spot, but the line was way too long, and then they didn't have chicken tacos. You know, wifey don't eat beef. She don't eat steak, red meat. So we gotta go somewhere where they got chicken or something that she do eat, you know? Which is all good, boy. That line was long as hell anyway. Nobody was trying to stand there.
Look at the water over there. Huh?
The waterfall. Look. Here you go.
Oh, look at the waterfall, Chandler. It's right by Las Vegas.
Man, this shit is amazing to look at. I ain't gonna lie. You go Caesar's Palace. Caesar's Palace, we do not own the... This is where we walked to? Oh man, yesterday, I swear to God, I would have been vlogging, but my phone was almost dead. But we walked for like 3 hours trying to find these daiquiris. They go Margaritaville that I was thinking about. You want to get a margarita today? If we don't gotta walk all the way down here. We stand on my mama, we stand in the middle of the strip next time. We're not standing at the end. We do not own the rights to none of the music that my son is playing right now, if you can hear it. But they go to Bellagio. Just know that it gets better with time. Say time. That's the remix. That's the girl singing, ain't it? She can sing good, can't she? I like her too, bro. Okay, so I don't know. What we gonna do today? We going to the M&M place. What am I gonna say we done today? We going to the mall. We're going to the outlet. To the drugstore.
New York.
They got the roller coaster on the top.
Okay, we're going to New York. They got a roller coaster on the top of the building. And then I think I'm gonna find somewhere to buy some weed today too. If we can find the time. We're not gonna force it. But if we pass another one of these weed shops, I'm definitely gonna go in and shop, you know? Then we're going to LA tomorrow. So we got a pack schedule. Sin City Moto. I gotta remember that so when we come back we can get one of them.
Carter, how do you know this song?
Carter know everything, bro. He probably back there reading the lyrics and we don't even know you know how to read. Huh? What? I'm okay, baby. I had to spike mine again, baby. They say tacos from Tijuana. Hey, Crystal. Hey, what was that place we seen?
Somebody else rented.
Oh, they rented all of them. They rented the Ferrari, the Lambo, the Audi, Hey, Crystal, what was that place we seen earlier? It was like noodles or something. It was Korean what? Barbecue? Hawaiian Korean barbecue noodles. No, but I bought a snack pack on the plane for like $20. No, it was like $8 or something.
Hey, Mom, you want to play pool? You want to play pool tonight, Mom?
For 99 cents.
What, a little cup of noodles?
Yeah.
Oh, they clowning.
Yeah.
Oh, that taco place.
Is it empty?
The taco place clowning. We ain't never gonna taste them. Come on, son. Bro, that line about longer than that thing. Okay. They got the little boxes up in there and everything. Nah, this is call it quits for that, man. Yeah. Hey, excuse me. Ah, we almost there, y'all.
Up here, you see this car right here?
Hey, man, ain't no time to be playing, man. No, stand up.
Mom, where's this?
Stand up. We almost there. Come here. All right, come
Right
on.
there.
It's right there, bro.
Look how you look.
Hey, Carter sounds distraught.
That's how Christopher was when
It's right there. And we is going to get some food, ain't we? No, I know. I'm just saying. So we're going up there. We're coming back down. Come on, son. Come on, son. Come on, son. Come on, Craig. And we supposed to cross the street right there, weren't we? Like we usually do. And our smart stuff gonna go put on some new shoes, some new booties. Ain't even broke in. Come on, Craig. Come on, Craig. You gotta keep up. You walking like you got a boo-boo, sir. You got a boo-boo? Them feet hurt? Legs tired? You wanna get on my neck, man? You for real? I'll put you on my neck, man. Oh, that was That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. I think I want to marry you. Don't put your mouth on there, boy. You like it? You like the show? The little light show?